Here we have honors algebra 2 math problem. Okay, let's go over here. Find the sum 2 times log x positive 2 times log x square positive 2 times log x to the third power positive 2 times log x to the fourth power, and it keeps going up to 2 times log x to the nth power. So that is we have to find the sum of the terms in this series. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the power rule of logarithm. That is, I have a logarithm. Let me assume I have a logarithm that is log m to the nth power. So here, the argument of the logarithm is exponential. So whenever the argument of a logarithm is exponential, the exponent over here can be moved in front of the logarithm, and it has to be multiplied by the logarithm. So it results n times log m. So this is called power rule of logarithm. So I'm just going to use power rule of logarithm in the second term, third term, here. So to simplify each of these logarithms. Okay, let me do it over here. So I have nothing to do with the first term. So I have 2 times log x positive 2 times. So now I can move this exponent in front of this logarithm over here. Then it will be 2 times log x positive. I can move this exponent over here in front of the logarithm. So then I'll be getting 2 times 3 log x positive. The same thing I can do with this exponent 4. So 2 times 4 log x positive. So I can move this exponent n in front of the logarithm. Then I'll be getting 2 times n log x. Okay, here I've used the power of logarithm in the terms of the series. Okay, now I'm just looking at the terms in this series. So everything has a greatest common divisor 2 times log x. Here we have 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 2 times log x. So for each term, there is a greatest common divisor 2 times log x. So since there is a greatest common divisor 2 times log x for each term in this series, I can factor 2 times log x out. Okay, if I factor 2 times log x out, so what I have left in the first term? So to know what I have left in the first term, I have to divide the first term by the one I factor out. It is 2 times log x. When I divide the first term by 2 times log x, this one will cancel out. So I'll just have 1 left in the first term. So let me write 1. Now to know what I have left in the second term, I have to divide this one by 2 times log x. This 2 will cancel. Log x will cancel out. I have only 2 left in the second term. So let me write 2 over here. And now to know what I've left in the third term, I have to divide this one by the one I factor out. So I divide this one by 2 log x. So 2 will cancel. Log x will cancel out. I have 3 left in the third term. This way I have to do for the other terms the same thing. I'll have 4 in the fourth term. Then it will keep going. When I divide this one by the one I factor out, so that is 2 times log x. This log x will cancel. 2 will cancel. I have only n left in the last term. Positive n. So we get 2 times log x. So this is clearly sum of first n natural numbers. Already we know the formula for sum of first n natural numbers, that is n times n positive 1 over 2. So this is the formula for sum of first n natural numbers. So here the 2 will cancel out, and we can write this n times n positive 1 in front of logarithm. So then I'll be getting n times n positive 1 times log x. So the sum of the given series is n times n positive 1 times log x.